Let us discuss class 8 chapter number 2 linear equation in one variable. So first we have to see what is meant by variable. The word itself tells that vary. It means changes. So variables, best example is a, b, c and so on x, y, z. We will represent the variables in algebra with these English letters only. For example, in one question of algebra, x value might be 1, x value might be 2, x value might be 3, or like that different values. We can say that x is always not 1, x is always not 2. So it varies from question to question. That is why we are representing. These are not fixed values. That is why we are representing them by using English alphabets. Then constants. Constant means fixed value. So fixed values are generally our numbers are fixed values only. That is why we are selecting constants with the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Equation. Definition of equation. Equation is an equality involving variables. Example number 1, we can see 3y plus 2z equal to 8. Here 3y plus 2z and 8 both are equal. Because of this equal symbol, you can say that this one is equal to this one. So that is why there is some equality. This equal is equal to symbol is known as equality. Because of this symbol only we can tell that both are equal. So an equality which is involving means which is containing variables. So here y is one variable, z is one variable. So equality which contains variables is called equation. So we can call it as equation. Now second example, 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Here also equal symbol is there. So equality containing, here only one variable is there. Even though one variable, two variable, three variables, whatever it may be, equality containing variables is called equation. 2x minus 9 equals 0 is an equation. Next concept is degree of an equation. Degree. The highest power of the term in any equation is called degree of that equation. Alright. Example number 1, 7x square y minus 9y equal to 8. There are three terms, 7x square y minus 9y and 8. There are three terms involving in this equation. Now if you wanted to find out the degree of this entire equation, what we have to do, separate each and every term degree we should find out separately later on, which is the highest number, that is called degree of this entire equation. Now 7x square y, in this x is one variable and y is one variable. There are two variables involving into this term. So first variable exponent is 2, next variable exponent is nothing, so you can treat that one as 1 only. 2 and 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So 3 is the degree of this term. Now minus 9y, y power nothing is there, so y raised to the power of 1. So only one variable, that one exponent is 1, so the degree of this one is 1 only. Degree of any constant number is 0 only. Now we found 3 degrees, but you wanted to find out 3 degrees of individual terms. You wanted to find out the degree of this entire equation. So 3, 1, 0, which is highest number? 3 is highest number. So degree of that equation is 3 only. Next, we are going to discuss one more concept, that is just now we have discussed one note point. So degree of a constant number is always 0. Let us see degree of a constant number 2, you can select. So degree of any constant number is always 0 only. Let us take the examples of degree. Example number 2, 3y plus 8 equal to 9. Here three terms are there, 1, 2, 3. Each and every term degree separately we should find out. 8 and 9 are constants, so their degrees are nothing but 0 only. So here only one variable, that is y raised to the power of nothing is there, so it will be treated as 1 only. 1, 0, 0. So 3 degrees you got, 1 here 0 and here 0. Which is the highest number? 1 is the highest number. So the degree of this entire equation is nothing but 1. Now example number 3, 3x square y cube plus 8y square plus z square is equal to 0. Here 1, this is one term, this is another term, this is another term, this is another term. Totally 4 terms are there. Each and every term degree separately we should find out. Here two variables are there, exponent is 2 and here exponent is 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. So the degree of this term is 5, and this term y raised to the power of 2, only single variable, that one exponent is 2, so that is degree is 2, and here degree is also 2. Here 0 anyway constant, that one degree is 0. So all the terms degrees you got 5, 2, 2, 0. Which is the highest number? 5 is the highest number. So the degree of this entire equation is 5 only. Now finally we wanted to discuss the point linear equations in one variable. So linear equations in one variable. So one variable means you know very well equations in one variable and linear. So what is meant by linear? If the degree, till now we have discussed about it, what is meant by degree. If the degree of any equation is 1, such type of equation is known as linear equation. Now definition, the equations with degree 1 and with only one variable are called linear equations in one variable. Let us take some examples so that you can understand very clearly. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Here this is one equation, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Equal symbol is there, equality sign is there, and one variable is there. So equality equation, so equality symbol is there, equation with one variable, so equation in one variable. And let us find the degree. So here x power nothing is there, so it is 1, constant power 0, constant degree is 0, so this constant 0 also there, not constant power, sorry, constant degree is 0, and this constant degree is also 0. 1 0 0, which is highest, 1 is the highest number. So degree of this entire equation is 1. So here the degree is 1 and moreover it is one variable. So linear equation with the one variable. Example. Second example, 5z plus 8 equals 0. So this is the equation containing one variable and that degree is 1 only. So linear equation in one variable. Same way here also, this is also example of a linear equation in one variable. 2x plus 9 equal to 4x minus 9 is also example of linear equation in one variable. You don't think that x is 2 times repeated, so linear equation in two variables. No, if x, y, x, z, like that, y, z, two different variables are there, so that you can say that two variables. But here only x is repeating, even though it is repeating also one variable only, equality sign is there, so equation with one variable, and that variable power 1 only there. So wherever you see the variable for 1 which is highest, 1 itself, so the linear equation with one variable. This is also one example. Now let us consider one equation, 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now I considered the equation 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So this is called equality sign. Next here the variable is x. Coming to this equality sign, left side what is there, 2x minus 3. Equality sign, right side what is there, 7 is there. So you can treat this one as 2x minus 3 as LHS, left hand side. So LHS, 2x minus 3 is treated as LHS, left hand side. L for left, H for hand, S for side. Now right side, equality symbol, right side what is there, 7 is there. So 7 is nothing but RHS, R for right, H for hand, S for side. So 7 is equal to RHS. So here LHS is 2x minus 3, RHS is 7. So this concept also important, LHS and RHS.